Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about Bittorrent token price update. What's the price changes occur in the BTT token. In this video I will share all update, guys, but before starting this video, please guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. So guys, first of all, here if we talk about the price update of BTT token, so 0.00315 USD dollar, that is the right now price of Bittorrent token. And furthermore, if we study the changes update of Bittorrent token, so now the last 1 hour update is about positive 0.58%. last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the negative, I mean completely going in the loss Bittorrent token, guys. So you know what, guys, a lot of people understand it now. It is continuously falls. Obviously the price of BTT falls for a long time, so that's why people understand, guys, but no, that is temporary changes, guys. Anyways, other side, if we talk about the changes, so negative 7%, guys, just in last 1 day, in last 24 hours, 7% the price of BTT dump. That's stupid, guys. That's stupid, guys. Oh my god. But guys, you can see now in the latest situation also the prices are going in the dumping, guys. That's not mean you know what, I believe that after false there is a jump. Now it's a false time, but I recommend for all of you to please hold possibility that in the upcoming time the price of BTT will pump. And obviously I also predicted Bittorrent token that there is a higher possibilities, 80 to 90% chances that the price of BTT will pump in the beginning of October, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update about Bittorrent token? Also share on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.